beginning of this class, we already discussed about the importance of the microorganisms. Here, how the bacteria are useful. Bacteria cause diseases to the man, plants and other animals. On the other hand, they are helpful to man in many ways. So, bacteria regarded as friends and foes to man. Friends and foes to man. Friend and enemy. It causes diseases to the human beings and plants. So, academically also human beings, they are affected by this bacteria. Cause various diseases to the man. Cholera, diphtheria, gonorrhea, tetanus, leprosy, all these are the bacterial diseases. Some of the plant diseases. Blight of rice. Caused by the bacterium Xanthomonas variae. Citrus canker. Xanthomonas axanopodis, pathogenic variety, citri. Crown gall of apple, caused by the bacterium Agrobacterium tumefens. So, different economically useful plants are affected by this bacteria. Different edible plants are affected by bacteria. So, both commercially or economically and yield all are decreased by this pathogenic bacteria. On the other hand, they are helpful to man in many ways by cleaning the nature, and many industries that depend on the bacteria for the production of these different types of the enzymes, hormones, antibiotics like this one. They produce the cause diseases. On the other hand, they produce antibiotics and vaccines to cure those diseases. Vibrio bacteriovirus. That kill another harmful bacteria. So, it mainly used in purification of Ganga river plant. In this Vibrio bacteriovirus is the bacterium that is employed for the purification of the Ganga water. And some bacteria, they kill other harmful bacteria and protect the plant. One of that one, Bacillus thuringiensis, that kill the caterpillars. So, protect the plant from the diseases. So, they are useful to man and they are also harmful to man. That's why correctly stated that they are friends and foes to man. That's all about the bacteria.